Running an online store becomes difficult if the orders are getting on day-to-day basis and we are not able to address the orders properly. We are making the delays, team is not notified about the orders, and a lot more problems. So I want that every time an order is placed on my e-commerce store, my team should be notified instantly so that they can start processing, they can understand what are the requirements, how many quantities are being purchased, and update me on day-to-day basis, on regular basis about the order status. So therefore, I want to connect my online store with my space on which I am having the discussions with my team, so that every time an order is placed on the store, a notification is sent with all the order details and the customer details to my team members. So therefore, I have built an automation over here by simply connecting my WooCommerce store with my Google Chat space in such a way that every time an order will be received, let's say I'm going to place an order in front of you. With the email of new customer, and this is the address and some other details are added. When I am going to place an order, as soon as I have placed this order, a notification will be received on my Google Chat space, as you can see over here, with all the details. Here we have the email, the date, and everything. So in this way, the automation is actually going to work. And if you are running an online store and you also face same problems of mismanagement between your orders and your team, this automation can be a really helpful for you. So if you want to learn how to create this automation on your own, that too without any coding, any technical knowledge, follow me till the end and you will be learning the entire process step by step. I assure you that. So let's get started. So we are on the landing page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing pabbly.com/connect in all your browsers. After coming, you can simply sign in if you are an existing user. For all the new users who are new to the platform, you can click on sign up for free button. You will create a free new account with this. And when you will create a free new account, you can get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, once you will try it out, you will connect multiple applications, build automations for your workflows, and you realize that this is worth purchasing. You can use my coupon code given in the description and on the left side of the screen, SHRYT, to grab a limited time offer of purchasing at discounts. So when you will use my coupon code at the time of checkout for any of the plan that you want, you will receive exclusive and the highest discounts. Okay, now I'm going to quickly sign in. Not only Pabbly Connect, but we have different amazing automation softwares for different departments of our business. You can try any of them, such as Pabbly Chatflow for WhatsApp automation, Pabbly subscription billing for subscription-based softwares. We have Pabbly email marketing, form builder, email verification, and a lot more. You can try out each of them according to your different requirements. Also, if you want all of them at a single place, you can use Pabbly Plus plan. Okay, now I'm going to quickly access Pabbly Connect. After coming on the dashboard, we will quickly start building the automation. Here we have clicked on the button and we have three options to build the workflow. Create from scratch, create using AI, and create using Quick Builder. I'm going to show you the quickest and the easiest method, that is creating the workflow using the Quick Builder. We do not have to do anything. We just have to provide the application's name that we want to connect and the workflow will be ready in front of us. So here I want to connect my e-commerce store, that is WooCommerce I'm using, and my Google Chat space in order to notify my team for every order that is received on the store. So I'm going to simply enter connect WooCommerce with Google Chat. As I've entered this message, you can see that the workflow has started creating. Which WooCommerce trigger should start this workflow? I want every time a new order is placed on this WooCommerce store, so automatically the response should be captured, and with that response, the workflow should run or trigger. So new order created will be my trigger over here. Which Google Chat Hangout action would you like for send message? I want to send a simple message to the team every time the order is received. So create message will be my action. So this is the workflow created according to our requirements. Do you want to approve? Yes. And when we will approve and create, we can open the workflow and it is ready. That's it. With simple steps with a single line prompt, our workflow is ready in front of us. Now what we have to do, we just have to build the connection. So first of all, we will be building the connection with our e-commerce store. Here I'm using WooCommerce because I am running my online store with the help of WooCommerce. But if you want, you can also use any other e-commerce platform over here, for example, Shopify. Okay, now in order to build the connection between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect, we have received the webhook URL. Copy it. So I'm going to go towards my WooCommerce account first of all. As you know, WooCommerce is the plugin of WordPress. So here is WooCommerce, and after going towards WooCommerce, we have to go towards settings. After coming on WooCommerce settings, here we have the option of advanced, and under advanced here we have webhooks. Now here we are going to click on this create webhook button to add a new webhook. And first of all, let's quickly provide the name to the webhook. So I'm going to give a name as new online orders. This is the name of my webhook. The status should be active. Topic is when the order is created. Okay, delivery URL is the webhook URL that we have received from Pabbly Connect, and now the API version will be the latest one. Okay, click on save webhook. As we have done that, the webhook is created and the webhook URL is added over here. So every time the orders will be created, the details will be sent as a response towards the webhook URL. And the webhook URL is inside Pabbly Connect, so we will be receiving the response over here. We have received the test response. So now let's click on recapture webhook response button. And as we have clicked on this button, now it is waiting for the response to be captured. How we are going to do that? By making an order on our store. So here I'm going to open my online store on WooCommerce, and in front of you as a customer, I'm going to place an order for, let's say, this crescent moon pendant. I'm going to add this to the cart. Let's go towards cart. Quickly, I'm going to enter the details. Here we have the email address. We have the delivery details added, and the payment method I have selected as cash on delivery. And now I'm going to quickly click on place order. The order is created. As the order is created, let's see, here we got the response of moon crescent pendant, and we have all the details such as the customer name, email address, their phone number, their delivery address, and a lot more. Okay, now once we have received this response from WooCommerce, we will move towards sending the notification to the team on Google Chat Space. I am sending the message to my team on Google Chat because we have the community over there, but wherever you have your community for orders or for your sales team, you can send the message there and you can connect that application in this workflow. For example, Slack, Discord, Microsoft Teams, or any other application. Okay, now here I'm going to quickly go towards Google Chat and we'll click on connect. To build the connection, we require a webhook URL, chat webhook URL, that we will be finding from our Google Chat space. So I will quickly take you towards my space. We will go towards the name of the space on which we want to send the message, and here we have apps and integrations. After coming over here, we have webhooks. Let's click on this add webhook button. Give any name to the webhook, but make sure to give proper name, because every time a message will be received, this name is going to be visible. So I'm going to give new order received. Okay, this is the name of my webhook. It is created. Let's copy the link and you just have to paste the link over here. That's it. Now here we have to provide the message that we want to send every time the order will be received. Let me quickly enter the format of the message. First of all, a new customer order has been placed and is ready for processing. So the order details, I want my team to be notified and to be informed about the order ID, the order date, the customer details, the product purchase, and all the details related to the order. And because these details should get replaced every time a new order is received, we have to map the data instead of entering the data manually. Okay, so here order ID, first of all, I'm going to enter a slash. We receive the previous response. When we will type ID over here we have the customer ID. So I have mapped that. Now the order date. So again by using the same method, we will be mapping the order date. This is the date on which the order is created. Okay, so as we are mapping these details, they have become dynamic, and automatically with every new response, it will get replaced. So every time a new order will be placed on my WooCommerce store by any of the customer, the details which I am mapping will get automatically replaced. And in this way, we will be able to send automated notifications for every new order on our Google Chat space. So now I'm going to map the customer name and everything else according to the fields that are given over here. Okay, after mapping all the details, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. We receive the response and I will be taking you back. And here we can see that the message is received with the order details, same as the order is placed on WooCommerce. So the workflow is ready and it is created. And now, once we have set up this workflow, automatically every time a new order will be placed, the team is going to be notified instantly. They can process the order, they can start working and preparing on the order and update the delivery status. Okay. So there will be no delays in the order processing, there will be no mistakes, and the errors could be minimized. So I hope the automation is clear to you. For your online store, you can also build it very easily. Simply connect your e-commerce store or your online store with your community platform wherever you are having the discussions with your team, and this automation could be created. So I hope this video is helpful and useful for you. Do not forget to share it if it was helpful and like the video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you have any doubts, please comment me down. Also, for Pabbly Connect plans, the checkout link is given in the description. Use my coupon code and get the exclusive discounts. Thank you for watching.